Horrible. Eruption supervolcano. Campi Flegrei will destroy Italy. Millions of people are in danger. Campi Flegrei, a supervolcano located beneath the Bay of Naples, Italy, has exhibited intense seismic activity in recent months. Volcanologists report that magma pressure beneath the Earth's crust has reached a critical point, causing small cracks in the rock layers. The seismic tremors are not a sign of a major eruption, but rather a natural mechanism for releasing pressure. Each small earthquake helps fracture the Earth's crust, preventing the buildup of energy that could trigger a catastrophic eruption. Data from monitoring stations shows that the frequency of earthquakes is increasing, but their amplitude is low. This indicates that the volcanic system is gradually letting off steam, reducing the risk of a supervolcano eruption with global impact. Researchers from the Istituto Nazionale di Geofisica e Volcanologia, INGV, state that this phenomenon is similar to a natural safety valve. The pressure that ruptures the crust allows gas and magma to escape in small amounts, preventing the buildup of excess pressure. Residents around Pozzuoli and Naples have felt mild tremors, but local authorities have confirmed that no mass evacuations are necessary. These tremors are a positive sign that the volcano is regulating itself. Geological studies indicate that Campi Flegrei has experienced similar cycles for thousands of years. Its last eruption in 1538 did not reach supervolcano proportions, and the current activity is expected to end without major disaster. Experts warn to remain vigilant, but are optimistic that these tremors will prevent the worst-case scenario. Monitoring continues to ensure the safety of the area.